carboxylic acid, that is the formic acid. In case of aldehyde, that is the formaldehyde. In case of amide, that is the formamide, like that. So the name of such compound is formyl halide, and IUPAC name is according to this name, and this is the IUPAC name of the whole class as acid halide. So in case of writing IUPAC name of any compound, first we have to count the total number of carbon atom. Since only one carbon atom present and one carbon is for methane, so the IUPAC name will be methanoyl halide. Since alkanoyl halide is the IUPAC name of the whole class, so one carbon is present and one carbon is for methane, so the name of the such compound is L-methanoyl halide, and the name will be methanoyl halide. This is the IUPAC name. One carbon atom is present in this compound and one carbon for methane. So methanoyl halide is the IUPAC name on the basis of alkanoyl halide. In case 2 carbon atoms are present, then ethanoyl halide. In case of 3 carbon atom, propanoyl halide. In case of 4 carbon atom, butanoyl halide. In case of 5 carbon atom, that is pentanoyl halide. The structure of such compound is like that. In case of X, we can put chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. This is the formyl chloride. This is the formyl chloride, and the IUPAC name will be methanoyl chloride. Methanoyl chloride. And the structure of such compound is like that. Halogen atom is for chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. In case CH3COX, then the name of such compound is acetyl halide. Acetyl halide. IUPAC name will be ethanoyl halide. Ethanoyl halide. And this is the structure of the respective compound. In case C2H5COX, the name of such compound is propanoyl halide. Propanoyl halide, and this is propanoyl halide. In case C3H7COCl is taken, then the name will be butanoyl chloride. Butanoyl chloride. This is for butanoyl chloride, and the structure will be like that. In this way, we see that different types of compounds are to be obtained like that. In case we put here chlorine, this will be the formyl chloride. In case of bromine, formyl bromide. In case of iodine, formyl iodide. In case of fluorine, formyl fluoride. In case we put here as CH3 group, then the name of such compound is acetyl halide. In case of chlorine atom here, the name of such compound is acetyl chloride. In case of bromine, acetyl bromide. In case of iodine, acetyl iodide. In case of fluorine, acetyl fluoride. So different groups have been given. This is the example. An example will be limited. So all this cannot be written here, but you can clearly understand the matter. So we can write a large number of compounds. This group is ethyl, and total number of carbon is 3, and 3 carbon atom for propane. So the common name will be propanoyl halide, and IUPAC name will be propanoyl halide, because IUPAC name is alkanoyl halide, and 3 carbon atom is for alkane, and we call in the alkane group as 3 carbon atoms like propane. That is why the IUPAC name will be propanoyl halide. In case of 4 carbon atom, the IUPAC name will be butanoyl chloride. In case of 5 carbon atom, pentanoyl chloride. In case of 6 carbon atom, hexanoyl chloride. In this way, we have to write more and more compounds. In this system, 5 compounds are obtained like chlorine, bromine, iron, fluorine. 5 compounds can also be obtained in case of such compound. 5 compounds can also be obtained in case of such compound. So, more and more compounds are to be obtained like that. In this way, we see that the nomenclature of acid halides is completed. This is the simple compound. We can write the IUPAC names of complex organic compounds just after the completion of different types of functional group in the form of simple compound. So, we have to complete this class. We shall meet in the next class.